Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's down there somewhere. That way you get notified of all the future videos, be they giveaways, reviews, or the occasional build when I get time. Today we're going to have a look at another new sheet from Iliad Design. Kind of new. It's a re-release of an earlier sheet with some extra details on it. This is pre-war hurricanes in 1/48. Okay, so let's see what we get in the bag. So, start with just take things out. As you can see, it's the usual resealable bag. And we have a Decals sheet and instructions. So, this is Iliad Design 1/48 pre-war hurricanes. And this is set number 48001, which, if you know their products, will seem a little strange since this is by far not their first Decals sheet they've released. But this one kinda is, because this is like the second edition of their first 1/48 sheet. Originally this sheet came out with 4 aircraft, and it's now been re-released with a 5th aircraft. This is the extra aircraft here. That wasn't on the original sheet. Basically, it's been sold out everywhere for a long time, and people have been asking for it. So Bob basically revamped it with an extra aircraft and printed it again. So what do we get? Obviously, there's the 5 hurricanes, all pre-war. 4 of them are twin-bladed propellers. This one here is a 3-bladed propeller. There's good notes about the idiosyncrasies of the aircraft, type of exhaust, post-style antennas for all the early ones, colours of the propeller hubs. Notice the 3-blade propeller as well there. Different camouflage schemes. They're all the same colours, but there's 2 different patterns. Pattern B and pattern A. Those two are 2 examples of it. And you've got 73 Squadron, 85 Squadron, 17 Squadron, 56 Squadron, and number 1 Squadron RCAF. And like I said, they're all pre-war, just before the war, 1938, 1939. So there's plenty here to get the sort of top half of the aircraft right. Turn over, and we have the upper and lower surfaces. There's another 2 examples of the type A pattern camouflage, type B pattern camouflage. It does the usual with showing you which roundels go in which places, and the faint ones are shown as they're the ones that are just on the underside of the wings there. And the bottom of the aircraft are either overall aluminium, this one part aluminium, and well, it's actually not called black, but they call it night and white. So there's plenty. Everything you need is there to get the colours right, get the aircraft matched up right, even with its own little idiosyncrasies. So I'll put up the Decals sheet now. We'll have a look at that. So going down that, it's up to the usual good standards of Iliad Decals. They can't see any backing film on the roundels. The only place I can see backing film, and it looks to be quite thin backing film as well, because it's hard to see even when I'm sort of moving it around to get the reflections right. Anyway, just backing film just on the letters only to keep all those lined up. Other than that, very nice. It should go well. It'll work on basically any 1/48 hurricane. You just need basically to find some 1/48 Mark I hurricanes, either with a 2-bladed propeller or a 3-bladed propeller, and then you're good to go. So many thanks to Iliad Design for sending it along for us to have a look at. You can get this for $12 either in stores, or I'll put a link underneath the video. You can go to Iliad Design's website and you can buy it for $12 from there as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.